As COVID-19 cases continue to surge across the country, a large section of society is struggling to get basic medical care. Many can't even afford basic COVID-19 medicines. A doctor couple in Maharashtra has stepped forward to help people who are in need of prescribed medicines for COVID-19 treatment. On 1st May, Dr. Marcus Rane and his wife Dr. Raina started Meds for More. Meds for More is a citizen initiative to collect unused medicines from COVID-19 recovered patients. They collect unused or leftover COVID-19 medicines from recovered patients and donate them to the people who need the medicines but cannot afford them. People from around 100 buildings in Mumbai have donated their unused, unexpired medicines since they started the initiative. These medicines will be donated to the primary healthcare centers in rural areas across India for the timely treatment of the needy or poor COVID-19 infected people. In just 10 days, the couple has collected around 20 kilograms of medicines to be donated with the help of their partner NGOs.
So my wife and I, we were having a conversation one day and we thought it might be an interesting opportunity to bring the medicines which were being left over by patients that we were treating in the high-rises and make them available to people who either didn't have access or who weren't able to afford those medicines. So we actually started in this building. We had a member of staff whose son had COVID and he needed to have some antivirals, which is quite expensive to procure. And so I asked a couple of the members in this residence where I live if they wouldn't mind giving me their old medicines that I could use. And that worked, and we thought this is interesting. Should we do it across our local area where we live in Cuff Parade? And so we had some buildings that we reached out to, and they were very forthcoming. Of course, people are very happy to support at this point in time. And that has now slowly spread, and we've got over 100 buildings in Mumbai that are now sending us medicines, and now people from other parts of India are also coming forward to try and set this up as local initiatives in their cities as well. Right. It's been a week. It's actually just been 10 days. Last Saturday was the first case, and very quickly it's become such a large national mission now. We've collected just last weekend alone 20 kilograms of medicines that we've packaged now, packaged into boxes, which are now being made available for our NGO partners, and then we'll be delivering that to them this particular weekend.
हमारा मॉडल बहुत सिंपल है. हमको वेस्ट भी कम करना है ये मिशन में. तो जो भी लोग हैं जो भी बिल्डिंग में हैं जिनको कोविड हुआ है, हमको उनके लेफ्ट ओवर मेडिसिन्स कलेक्ट करना था. तो हमने हर बिल्डिंग में एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव अपॉइंट किया और वो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव एक बॉक्स रखता है, डोनेशन बॉक्स उनके लॉबी में, और कोई भी बिल्डिंग के मेंबर वो बॉक्स में उनके कोविड के मेडिसिन्स डाल सकते हैं. जैसे वो कलेक्ट होता है वो बिल्डिंग रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हमारे कोर टीम से कनेक्ट करता है और फिर मेडिसिन्स हमारे इधर आती है और हम लोग खुद एक्सपायरी डेट चेक करके सेग्रीगेट करके मेडिसिन्स को अलग अलग करते हैं और उसका पूरा सेग्रीगेशन करते हैं और ये मेडिसिन्स हमारे एनजीओ पार्टनर्स के थ्रू जाएगा रूरल इंडिया में.
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, OTV न्यूज़.